Hey guys, what I've got today is a Funai 32-inch TV that was a Black Friday special. Um, my niece had been using it and she heard a popping sound and then the TV went off and there would be kind of a constant whining sound from the power supply, it sounded like. Upon searching for YouTube videos on how to repair it, I was pointed into the direction of the main board. So I'll show you what the actual fix was and I'll provide a link to his video down below in the description. So I've got the back of it off here. I was thinking that, of course, if you're hearing something that sounds like it's coming from the power supply, it would be this power supply board, but it wasn't. The video that I'll link below had shown to come over here, and on his video, it looked like it was the coil that was above the ribbon cable, but he had mentioned that it was a 3.3 or 3.3 volt or 12 volt. So this one was labeled 330, and the whole thing surrounding it looked about the same as what was in his video, and it did end up being this one here. I'll shine the light on it. You could see the one that's kind of poorly soldered, but it works. That's a surface mount capacitor in there, and the other one had been shorted. So let's see here. Let me get something to point with and I'll describe things a little better. Okay, so this one that I've got my meter probe on right here is the one that was replaced. So right below the 330, that was the problem. It's a little difficult to test when it's still on the board because this one will read as a short as well as this one. This one will read as a short, and then up above it, I was trying to have a hard time kind of pinpointing it because this one next to the coil and this capacitor here would also read as a short. So they must be in parallel to the problematic one, which was this one. So again, upon looking at his video, this whole area here looked pretty similar to the one that he had repaired. So I started with that one. And after I removed this from the board, the other three capacitors I just pointed out no longer tested as a short, and it was this one. This tested as a short outside of the circuit board. In order to repair it, I actually just had this little MP3 player FM tuner device that I don't plan on using, and I noticed that it had a lot of surface mount components on it. And just like in his video, I just literally chose the surface mount capacitor that looked to be roughly the same size and put it in. I didn't worry about which side would be positive or negative either. I'm not sure if it was a polarized capacitor or not. He didn't mention it. I had nothing to lose. I just put it in and it worked. So if this helps somebody else out there repair their television, that would be awesome. Again, be very careful. There's high voltage coming off of this, and I don't recommend doing it yourself unless you know what you're doing and are very careful. But thanks for watching the video. Give it a thumbs up and be sure to check out the original video that helped me repair this television. Subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.